Next, how to get a factorial of a given number using loops and recursion. Factorial represented as an exclamation symbol. Factorial is nothing but is product of numbers which are less than or equal to given number. Product of positive numbers. Which are less than or equal to given number. For example, 5 factorial from 1 to 5. That means formula is n factorial means n star n minus 1 n minus 2 star n minus 3 star n minus 4. Right, it's a product. For 5 factorial, 5 star 4 star n minus 2 3 n minus 3 2 and n minus 4 1 equal to 120. By seeing this, you can tell using for loop from 1 to n, you multiply it, you will get this number, or for any given number. Right. First you will write using for loop, and then we will write using while loop, and then using do while also, finally using recursion. First is for loop. You are passing n and returning factorial of that n using for loop. Right. First we need to declare a variable. For example, int n equal to 3, and we need to copy this for loop n. It returns for loop value. In the for loop, for given n, int I equal to n, I greater than 0, I plus plus. Before that, we need to declare one temporary variable, int val equal to 1, not 0, here 1. Val equal to val star n. Return value. Right? Let's print it. System.out.println thing has a format function. This factorial of %d using for loop is %d n comma f value, right? Let's come here. One mistake, we need to decrement the value and we need to multiply with the I, not with the n. Now run the program. So factorial of 3 using for loop is 6. Let's try with the 5. Factorial of 5 using for loop is 120. Let's write using while loop. Static int while loop int n. Here while n greater than 0, declare a temporary variable which holds the value of our multiplication or product. Value equal to value star n, and finally value should be decreased by 1, n minus 1, right? Return value. Int is a while loop. While loop value equal to while loop was n. Let's print the value. Factorial using w is using while loop. Right, factorial of 5 using while loop. For loop we already tested. Now we need to use do while. Static int do while int n. Let's declare initial value or a temporary variable. Do while n greater than 0, value equal to value star n, and n equal to n minus 1. Return the value. Int do value n. D value here using do while loop. Let's print it, compile it. N is a small mistake, error, need to put a capital N. See, factorial of 5 using do while also 120. Finally, you need to write using recursion. Static int fact int n. Here also one temporary variable value equal to 1. If n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, return value. Else what you need to do, val equal to val star fact n minus 1, return val. We need to reduce the number every time it calls until this n equal to 0 or n equal to 1. We need to reduce the value by 1, right? This is recursion. Int r val equal to n. Sorry, here not value, here we need to put a n value fact n. Yes. Factorial of using recursion. This is r value. See, factorial of 5 using recursion is 120. Same. How recursion works? If you want idea, here. First, it's a stack. Every function values will be placed in a stack. First value will be 5 star factor n minus 1. Okay, this is a value. Next, four star 4 minus 1. Next, 3 minus 1. Next, 2 minus 1. Right, we are storing these product values in temporary variable. Here val. Here factorial is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. That means 2 star fact 1. Whenever a function calls with value 1, whenever n is a 1, it returns a value. This is the value, right? Here 2 star 1. What is the temporary variable value? Val equal to 2. Next it comes here factorial 2. 3 star factor 2, right? This becomes 3 star 2 star 1. Similarly 4 star 3 star 2 star 5 star 3 star 2 star 1. This value will be returned to the caller. We are breaking the recursion based on this condition. So all values will be in the stack, right? Whenever function is going to met some condition, at that time it starts popping up elements from the stack until last element. so that value will be displayed. Instead of giving a value n here, you can read from a console. For this we need to have a scanner class. System dot in, right, sc dot next int, it gives us a value that should be assigned to n, right. Scanner class is located in, I believe it is in a import. We need to import the package java dot util dot scanner. Now compile the program. Java c minus cp dot fact demo, right. It is before that we need to display some message. System dot out dot print please enter the number, right. Let's compile it again, run it, minus java c minus path fact demo. Could not find here demo. Please enter the number 3. See, again please enter the number 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, instead of keeping static value here, you can dynamically read from using scanner class and assign this scanner class as a method called next int. You can assign read from console and assign to n. That value will be carry forward to all